Oh my god.
Today, what we're doing, instead of normal Robot Explorer, where we are controlling one robot, Stan's gonna get his own robot, and I'm gonna have my own robot, and we are gonna drive to the skate park.
There it is.
Together. Now the bet that everybody's doing in the Discord right now is who's gonna break their bot first? Yes, it's probably gonna be me, because I'm actually gonna try to do some kick flips.
I'm gonna try some kickflips.
I'm gonna try some,
So I'm gonna break a
points
robot,
on me.
and then Stan is gonna have to fix it for next week, so it's so cool.
Yeah.
As usual, everything is an experiment. We hooked everything up today for the second car. Open that door! So, one thing, we are both connected to the same 4G. So Shane cannot leave me.
Yeah, unfortunately. I'm in the elevator. Let's go.
Alright, Shane, it's time to get out.
Ow!
Just ran over Alex's sweet white shoes. I ran him over again.
Good job.
Dang.
Dude, you have the internet. I don't even have the internet, so...
What are you talking about?
You have the hotspot.
I'm the one with holding the internet?
Yes.
Nice.
No, I'm not happy about it. I should have changed the car.
Boom! Because we're all driving.
Man,
like
it's so
not
nice to drive
good
together.
cars.
We should have done it long ago.
Dang. Alright. Oh, there's a bike!
No,
Boom!
what are you doing?
Dude!
Dude, you crazy?
Dude, mine's faster than yours.
Let me see. I can increase it.
Are you gonna speed past me?
Shane and Stan are both in the warmth of the office controlling the RC cars. They're already gone somewhere. We lost them.
What? Are you gonna speed past me?
I can, but you're
I'm blocking
You're
you.
blocking me.
You know what's
Okay, I lost connection completely.
Lost connection.
Yes.
Oh, yes,
Oh!
so did I. You flipped!
Bro, I might need your help.
Stan broke his first!
I didn't! You left me so
Stan
far
broke-
away
Stan broke
that I
it.
lost my connection. Can you see a shaking bush?
Do I see a let's see.
You're stuck?
Oh no, am I stuck? Alright, we're both stuck.
This is the worst Robot Explorer.
A few moments later.
Up! Alexi's getting me out. Escape. It's further, right?
Trying to brake check me?
Alright, well, we cannot get in without help here.
I'll try. Hey, Poncho Man. Let me into the
Poncho.
skate park.
Only in Finland there are skaters at -5 degrees in the dark. That was pretty awesome.
No, 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 no!
Look at this. High speed chase.
Nope, I'm not gonna do that. I'm worried I'll...
Boosh, boosh, boosh.
There it is.
Hell
and
yeah, I
your camera
landed.
has fallen, and my connection.
I landed though. And then I'm gonna go down this No!
Did you break it already?
I was the wrong side. I was gonna go to the other side.
Yeah.
The steering trim is like
And
super sensitive.
that's why, internet, we don't let Shane drive our RC cars.
A few moments later.
Stop!
Oh my god.
I didn't know I was gonna do that. I was just hitting you. It was tag. I was playing tag. Black.
And you broke off the camera completely.
So basically what's been happening here is that Shane just gasses it the whole time. Every time he gets to drive, he'll gas it. And the camera is flimsy as it is already for some reason. But now he keeps barrel rolling the car, so the camera keeps coming off the RC car. We have to keep fixing it.
The adhesive just popped off. Is that what it was? Like the mount.
Yes, but it's a
adhesive.
GoPro adhesive. You have to try really hard to break it off.
Yeah, somehow we did it.
No, you did it. I didn't do that.
No, it was totally us. It was a team effort. Alright. I didn't do anything on that. All I did was hit one side of a rock. And the body fell off.
And again. I already feel bad for Esa. He's fixed the car like, how many times? Like 4 times? It's been about 10 minutes. Shane has literally broken the mount completely off the car. It will not stick onto the car anymore. So hopefully as I can fix it now.
The body did not fall off.
There's no way that was
It's the camera.
Look, yeah, okay, it was the camera. I was gonna say
Because you broke it off once.
there's no way the car flipped.
You know, sometimes we say on our
I didn't see the
SumaBot
game.
live
Someone send
stream
me a picture.
that bots are misbehaving. Today Shane is misbehaving. He's breaking bots.
It's still cold. Really cold.
I didn't even do anything. Like, I literally did nothing. Got any duct tapes, this Mordecai? No, apparently these guys went unprepared. They didn't realize that I was gonna drive a car and probably break it.
Maybe because we didn't have this issue for the last 10 missions.
Okay, well, the camera doesn't stay.
Oh.
A few moments later.
So right now, yeah, Stan is driving through my camera because I broke. You wanna go into the basketball court?
No, I'm going home. All right, let's play soccer. That's my ball.
Boom.
I'm blocking you.
There we go. Yep. I have flippage.
Actually, we should do that next time. We just play soccer there.
Yeah.
You versus me.
It's Rocket League. Exactly, Retro. It's Rocket League.
All right, internet. I think we will be driving back home. I mean, technically, we did succeed on the mission today since we were able to drive the car to the skate park. Both cars.
So Robo Explorer is over, and Shane and Stan are just bickering.
Drove great.
Yeah, when you drive like a grandma, it drives really good.
But all in all, it's an experiment, and we must not forget that. So things like this will happen.
But all right, internet. I guess this was this week's Robot Explorer. Let us know what you think we should do next week now that we have 2 bots. His name is Stan. My name is Shane.
What?
Thanks for joining us on this week's Robot
Your
Explorer.
name's Batman. It says it next to your face.
My name is Batman. His name is Stan.
Yep. And that's the end of Robot Explorer today.
Yeah.